Hey guys, welcome back to Binance Futures Trading. So I'm going to do a quick live trade with you. Right now I'm seeing DOT USDT, and from the chart I can see that now the candlestick is losing momentum. Okay, it's losing momentum. Also, if you look at the volume, here is decreasing, and then the RSI, if you see, the RSI is already above 80, so it's kind of overbought. So maybe it will go down again. This is not a guarantee. We don't know what's gonna happen. If you look at the Bollinger Band, it's already at the upper band. EMA is above EMA line, above moving average line. So most probably, okay guys, most probably is going to go down. That's my guess. So I'm gonna open a positions for .USDT. Don't follow me, okay? If you lose money, don't blame me, okay? So I'm just going to do this quickly, and we're gonna see what gonna happen in like 3 to 5 hours time. So right now the market price is what's the market price now? It's 9.7. Okay, $9.76. I will just open like, I don't know, $200. Okay, $200, and the size is $200. My actual margin is only around $10, as you can see, and I will open short, and you will see I have a short position here for .USDT. So our entry price is 9.78, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Hopefully it goes down. If not, maybe we're gonna see some huge floating loss, but we'll see, guys. And I will come back to you once the price has been updated in the 3 to 5 hours time, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so it has been around I don't know how many hours this is, but if you see right here, we already make $3 profit. You can see our dot is actually going down. So you can see, right, it was Heikin-Ashi. You can see it was losing momentum. So I'm gonna wait some more. I do believe it's going to go down even more. So we're gonna wait maybe another maybe 7 to 8 hours, and let's see what's going to happen.
1 eternity later.
Alright guys, now is 12 a.m. As you can see, it actually did go down, guys. Okay, it lost momentum and then it goes down for dot. And if you see on my phone here, we're gonna make $7 or $8. I can close position. I will just wait until it hit $8. I can close it, or I can actually wait until the next morning, but I will just close it now. You can see it's real time, okay? The profit right there. And by the way, our entry price, you can see, was 9.7. Now is 9.3, which is not that bad. And you can see our return on equity is 82%, which is 80% of our margin. And I will just close everything in here. And you can see succeed. If we look at the history, you can see we make a $4 profit right there. And by the way, guys, you can also use a bot here. You can see I'm using a bot. I just restarted this bot. It's called AntBot. I have full video on this channel, how to trade using AntBot. This is Binance Future. Currently I have only 2 coins, BTC and Ethereum, with $500 capital. You can go to my channel playlist, and then you can click on crypto futures here. So I have a full video playlist how to use bot, and the profit is not bad, guys. Okay, if you can see right here, of course now I'm playing with more safer coin. Okay, I stress it again, be careful with altcoins. Okay, try to pick good coins. Okay, you must at least know the basics. If you don't know the basics, you can go back, you can go watch this video here, how to choose coins. In fact, I'm gonna put it up there because this is very important, how to choose coins. I think I'll put it somewhere right here. It's very important again to choose coins. So if you lazy to read the chart, you can use a bot to to still make profit with Binance Futures.